Hello everyone. Let's talk about boosting the performance of a Dell Latitude 5540 laptop. Specifically, we're diving into the Adamanta 64GB DDR5 4800 MHz RAM kit. This kit comes with two 32GB SATA modules designed to breathe new life into your machine. The Adamanta memory operates at a speedy 4800 MHz, adhering to the PC 5-38400 standard. This means faster data transfer rates and snappier overall performance compared to older DDR4 modules. The modules are 1RX8, meaning single rank, which can be beneficial for compatibility and performance in many systems. They also feature a CL40 latency, which is typical for DDR5 SATA modules. Operating at a low voltage of 1.1 V, these modules are energy efficient, which is crucial for laptop battery life. They are also non-parity and non-ECC unbuffered, making them suitable for standard laptop use. The 262-pin configuration is the standard for SATA modules, ensuring a proper fit in compatible laptops. Adamanta backs these modules with a limited lifetime warranty, providing peace of mind. Each module undergoes thorough testing by the manufacturer to ensure reliability and compatibility. Plus, their experienced technicians can help verify if these parts are right for your specific setup. For Dell Latitude 5540 owners looking to upgrade their RAM, the Adamanta 64GB DDR5 kit is a solid option. It offers a significant performance boost, especially for memory-intensive tasks like video editing, running virtual machines, or handling large datasets. The increased memory capacity allows for smoother multitasking and reduces the likelihood of slowdowns when running multiple applications simultaneously. Upgrading RAM is one of the most effective ways to improve a laptop's performance, and this kit from Adamanta seems well suited for the Dell Latitude 5540. Just be sure to check your laptop specifications to confirm compatibility before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.